This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully maintained brick center hall conveniently located close to naval stations, beaches, coffeehouses and shopping. Gracious floor plan with formal rooms, love oak floors, family room plus office. Updated eat-in kitchen and baths. Most windows replaced 2022. HVAC 2014 and 2019. Upstairs replaced 2023. Architectural roof 2010. Gas conversion 2011. Spacious primary suite with updated tiled bath and additional room that can be a walk-in closet. Large fenced backyard for pets and children. HVAC and tankless water heater serviced and under contract with JMR Bros 2025. Chimney inspected with All Pro Fire and Chimney 2025. Sellers are under contract with Getem Termite and will provide clear termite letter.